everyone, so today is the 3rd of January and it is the day before Aleesa's birthday. So I am running around like a madwoman with this little one, trying to sort out everything for her birthday. We've just come to Stechford, Home Bargains and Matalan and stuff. Matalan had the biggest queue. I was going to get her outfit from there, but it was like the biggest queue ever and he was whinging. So now I've parked up in a quiet spot in the car park and I'm about to feed this little man. And then we're going to head to Costco and see what they have there. They might have some outfits there actually. This is my list of things to do today. And I have done two. Oh God, I have so much to do. Aleesa's dress I need to get. I need to do things at home. I've done 2 loads of washing actually. I'll take that off. Put them away, I'll add that. And then I need to build the pasta parcel. I need to ring Costco. Oh, I've done that. Buy the doll's house online. I've done that. And pick up a prescription, which, oh crap, I'm just dropping everything. I need to do that. So half the list I need to do. So, okay, I need to figure this out in my head.
Hi! My birthday party.
It's not your birthday party, it's your birthday today. Happy birthday! Do you like your balloons?
Yeah!
And look, up in the sky.
A rainbow balloon.
You like it? And look, what's this over here?
Oh, my presents.
Do you want to open them?
Yeah! What?
Who's that?
I
Do you like it?
Press the button, Mommy. Press the button. Wow!
Do you know what that is?
See?
Is that cool?
That's amazing! It's so cool!
What's that?
It's cute!
Do you like it?
It's got the baby superhero! And its toes, and its furry hair, and its blue eyes, and its lips, and eyebrows.
Good morning. So it is Aleesa's birthday today. Happy birthday, princess. And we have this happy birthday on which me and the husband did last night, and we also put a balloon up there. And there's loads of bits and bobs here which I need to sort out today for her party tomorrow. Are you tired?
No.
Which present do you want to open? This one? Do you want to open Owlet?
Yeah!
Okay, we'll open Owlet.
Yay, yay, yay!
Hi everyone, so I haven't been vlogging a lot because most of it is going to be tomorrow at Aleesa's party. This is the room right now. I'm putting chairs around. It's a big mess because there's kids just playing. So we have just taken a few pictures. She wants to do some colouring, so she's saying please. But a little happy birthday thing, and all of this is still a mess. I've started on the parcel.
Please.
No, baby, we're going to go upstairs now. This little man's being naughty, so yeah. I've done the cakes, but I haven't done the icing yet, so I've got to do that later. So I'm starting to sort out all the bits and pieces for tomorrow. These are the things to do: wearing masks and some face painting and photo booth. And then I've started like sorting out all the snacks. This is the pasta parcel all done. It is the 1st of February now, which is almost a whole month after Aleesa's birthday. Yes, I'm awful. Having 2 kids is very hard, and it's also the reason I'm talking very quietly, because Issa is sleeping right now, very lightly I might add. Aleesa is over there watching the iPad, and I am editing a video. So this is the only chance I get, but normally when he's sleeping and she's watching something, I'm cleaning, because guys, it's so hard to keep on top of everything when you have 2 little kids that are not in nursery. She's going to nursery in April, so hopefully there'll be a lot more videos coming by April time. Thank you very much for watching this video, guys, and I'll see you in my next one.